Fifth race trotters are all in behind the gate. They're at the top of the stretch. 16th from the start. Here they come. And they're off in the Donnie Conrad Memorial. And another good beginning here. Eddie Opus from the outside. He's a swan right there alongside. We got the chips. Hustles away. Tip on tab between horses. Fourth, Swiss Platinum. It comes away fifth, Trottin' Swan. To the inside is sixth, Cantab Express. Two wide to the outside. Seventh, Mart's Creek Lily is next in eighth as they trot to the first turn. Swan on the bank is ninth. A rough beginning for the trailer Stormwinds as he trails in 10th. 28-3 for the opening quarter, and Eddie Opus securing the lead here, opens up by 2. He's a swan forced back into the pocket, now gaps in second. We got the chips, looks to advance to the outside. He's underway for T-Trick from third. Swiss Platinum flushed the cover and follows smartly in fourth. Back in fifth, Tip on Tab. Then there's a break of some 5 lengths or so. Trottin' Swan, and there to his outside comes Cantab Express. Shuffle back then is Mart's Creek Lily. So they pass the half in 59 seconds. And the breaker, Eddie Opus. So a new leader up front, Swiss Platinum. Swiss Platinum has taken the lead. We got the chips is now second as Eddie Opus drops back and is still off stride. Moving through the upper turn, Swiss Platinum leading by 2. We got the chips within striking distance. Second, He's a Swan, could be a threat from third. Tip on Tab advances well in fourth. To his outside, Cantab Express solid in fifth. And now Trottin' Swan is blocked on the inside as they pass 3/4 and 129. Midway through the stretch, right out has Swiss Platinum on the point. The lead is still a length and a half, 2. Chasing second, we got the chips, and to the inside, He's a Swan laboring. Now he's off stride. Cantab Express moves up to third, and Trottin' Swan with late trot moving through quickly with less than a 16th. It's Swiss Platinum, and Swiss Platinum will win. We got the chips, finishes second. Trottin' Swan gets up for third. Cantab Express was fourth in 158-3. Unofficial winner of the 1 Swiss Platinum. Second, number 3, we got the chips. Third of the 2, Trottin' Swan. Fourth of 4, Cantab Express. In the winner's circle, winner of the 5th race is First Start at 3. The 1 Swiss Platinum, a 3-year-old son of Elegant Man from the Conway Hallmare Pure Platinum, owned, trained, and driven by Doug Rideout of Winchester. That's a lifetime best for Swiss Platinum in his maiden breaking win, 158 3/5. And race 5 is official. Looking ahead to the 6th race, no changes in race 6.